how to get notes in Messenger. So if you want to get it, like this one, you can click on it and say something or anything you want. You can also share a song. So if you don't have this particular feature, then that means that your Messenger is actually outdated. There to resolve that, head over right here to your Play Store. And then from there, search right here for Messenger. So let's search in here for Messenger. Now click on the Messenger right here, and if you see an update button, head over and click on the update option. If you can see any update option, that means that your actual phone is outdated and you need to update your software as well as your device. Click on the settings, scroll down right here, and then you can look for the option that says system update. Click on the software update and make sure to update your software. So that's how you get those in Messenger. Hope we helped.